Yo, did I finally hit the freaking jackpot? Did I actually get a dub? Are you serious? Are you serious? All right, downtown LA, we are here. We got Bobby Thrift.
What's good, y'all?
Got Bobby Thrift. Check out his thrifting channel. Check out his mostly. You don't really do thrifts anymore though. You do more. You do more for retail arbitrage. Check out his retail arbitrage channel. Let's go see what's up. Bobby Thrift went over there to the sneakers. Checking out apparel though. Kelsey jerseys. Still got the Kelsey. Oh, I need to send my boy his jersey. Goddamn, I'm tripping. Those are guys that I haven't seen. $40. These are normally what, $130. That's a triple XL, double X. Oh, it's just large. Mets DeGrom shirt normally $40. He's probably not there no more. That's probably why this is here. Where's the Ross tag though? Price unknown. Those of you guys that do golf, look at this Callaway brand. I know this stuff is not cheap. $90. That looks like the same price tag as Puma. But yeah, $90 down to $22. Nice pullover right here. That's not bad. Vikings team apparel. These bad boys down to $15. UCLA Jordan brand right here. Got a polo. This is nice. Normally $68 down to $20. Nike swim long sleeve. And if you're swimming, like I said, I don't really know why you need a shirt. But $54 down to $20. Got a couple of them. I guess like after you're done swimming, you need something. I guess I don't know. Oh, one's a t-shirt, one's a long sleeve. Oh, I thought they were the same thing. $40 down to $17 for the short sleeve. No fools have been finding jerseys lately. No jerseys. No Mitchell and Ness shorts as well. Dang it. Checking out the sneakers now. We got some of the ghetto birds chirping over there. Oh, I've never seen red ones like that. That's not bad. That's not bad. I came to cheat, see if Bossco found anything. That's a fast way of doing it. Oh, cleats for $5. $5. Oh, that's free. Pretty much free. But you got to get spikes and you gotta do some work on this one. Size 14. $5. Okay. All right, I'm starting in the 10.5 because that's my size and I'm greedy. I've been finding a ton of Hokas lately. These are the Cliftons. They still go for $80. That's how much they all been going for. And we've been seeing a variety of Hokas. These are size 12.5. Some Hoka hiking shoes and Kappas. I'm not really too familiar with those. Those are going for $90. So 10 more than some of the other Hokas. Got some Romas. We've been seeing a ton of these. $25 for these. Decent colorway. Oh, and it's glow in the dark too. Oh, there you go. There you go. Got some Reebok Solutions going for $35. These are pretty dope. Kind of like a Nuggets colorway. These are a size 11. They were cheaper. I might think about it. $35. Not bad. That is a dope colorway though. More of these Hokas. These are the Challenger ATRs going for $80. Pegasus. I don't know, 37's going for $45. Pretty decent colorway. Bosco found some Jordan, 37s? 37s.
Pretty big size, though.
Taxing though, $69.99. That's a good number, bad price.
Yeah,
dang it. Checking the size 9 now. Look at these Hokas. You get extra dirt on these. So they're down to $55. Clifton 8s if you don't mind washing shoes right after you get them. Pro models that Bossco saw earlier, pretty decent. $25, not bad. Got some Vans right here. Look at these, look nice. Look at this. Look at this material. Damn, dude. Using some premium suede. $33. Dang it, why couldn't I find these when I bought that for one of the homies, man? Champion slides. These are size 10. $10 for these. Not bad. I don't remember the original price for these though, but not bad. I'm just not into them. Pegasus Turbos. $50 for these. Pretty decent. This is like the one with the recycled material. $50, not bad. Starting to seem cheaper because they were $60. Maybe that was Burlington where we saw them for $60. And then Kyrie's. These are huge. Size 16. These are freaking gargantuan. $23 though. is on discount, 23 bucks. And it is a B grade. I haven't seen too many Kyrie B grades. That's interesting. Okay. And then I did check the slide section. They just got these really colorful Crocs, size 15, go for 20 bucks. But yeah, not any like useful sizes. I'm trying to go for my kiddo. I'm definitely not trying to pay 50 bucks for them. Yeah, man. Seeing what's going on here in the women's section. Bigger sizes, what I think size 10, which is the 8.5 men's. Got premium material. This is some really nice Vans. Holy cow. Color combo, not really digging. Got the fur, the inside too. 35 for those. What are these? The Flyknit racers? $75. That is insane. More Vans right here. Some skate highs going for $35 and way too bright purple. And then checking the very, very small sizes. Do got more Vans right here. It's pretty cool colorway. Apparently they don't want us to know the price. And I don't know. Not really seeing much else. Not really seeing much else. Oh wait, see these? What? No, not really. All right, man. What the hell? What are these? I don't think I've ever seen these Crocs. This on top. What the hell? I don't even know the price though. $25 for those. And we do have the typical Ross line right here. Bossco is grabbing those cleats right there. $5 cleats. He's gonna try to see if he can flip them and continue his challenge. What's the goal of your challenge?
$100 profit.
Okay.
$100 profit. Don't know how long it'll take with this economy like this too, but for $4.99, see how long it'll take me to get to $100.
So check out the Bobby Thrift channel. I think I called him Bossco. Check out the Bobby Thrift channel. Check that out. Undefeated warehouse sale. Look at the line. Look at the line. Yeah, no, yeah, we're not doing this. Bossco, we ain't doing this. Oh, hell no, fool. Hell to the no.
What do you think we're gonna do? Nothing. What are you really gonna get?
Find all kinds of stuff apparently.
I smell weed.
Yeah. It's not from you, fool? Oh man.
No.
All right, it is what it is. All right, we're gonna come back. We still got Bobby Thrift, downtown LA. Let's go. Bossco going directly to sneakers. I'm going more towards apparel because I'm hoping for a home run in the apparel section. All right, I don't really see any home runs, but do got NFL jerseys. Horn, I have no clue who the hell that is. 40 bucks. Do have a Kyler Murray jersey right here for 40. This is a large Jaguars. Oh, got a Jaguars hoodie. That boy going for $35. This is a Nike Thermofit. DK Metcalf jersey. We've seen a ton of these. What a Bobby Wagner jersey? Bobby Wagner jersey. This is fire right here. He was with the team for a cool minute. That's $35. Not stitched in or anything though. But still not bad. And we got a Mahomes jersey, double XL. Got a couple more down there. And then this is one of the. Oh no, this one's not bad. A Burns jersey. I have no clue who that is. Bro, did I finally do it? Did I finally do it? Yo. Not my size though, man. Dang it, man. Why did they gotta give me a little, man? This is an XL. XL $30. Normally $135. Holy cow. Son of a monkey. So wish this was my size. God dang it. I do a large or a medium. God dang it. I haven't even tried the medium. I need to try the medium size now. Checking the size medium. Do you got a LA Nike shirt? Cody Bellinger. He's not on with I don't think he's with the team no more, right? Normally $30, $35 down to $10. The omnipresent Nike Rams t-shirts. This is normally $30 or something, $30, $35 down to $15. And then this is what makes me sad about these trips. Man, they do got the XL, but they don't got my size. God dang it. Damn, that makes me so sad. God dang it. Holy cow. This location is packed. Look at how packed each section is. Man, no Mitchell & S shorts though. Bossco, you lucky bastard, you. You lucky bastard, you. That's not my size though. So that's you right here, man. That's you right here. Damn, dude, I know. But the Bobby Wagner, you might want to look at that one. That might be.
Wagner's cool too.
Our Bossco's gonna look those up. He might keep that Carter jersey because that thing is fire, dude. That is just so fire. Yeah, I'm checking to see if they have any interesting balls. Like they've had those Nike balls I showed you guys. I think in Pittsburgh they had one, but that really didn't work out. Don't really see much. All right, let's go check out sneakers. I hear some of the birds chirping. The birds chirping over there. They've been going on for a minute. But I do got the Solutions. We've been seeing these $30-something. These are normally like 80, so not too bad. Not too bad. Some Cumulus right here. Those of you Ace, or I was gonna say A6 fans. Some of you runners will know about the $60 for these. I didn't see which Cumulus they are though. But yeah, that's not bad. Checking the prices though. Got more of these Uggs, if that's what y'all into. The Ugg slippers. 25 for those. Those are normally like $80 something. Of course, more Hokas, Clifton 8s, and a pretty mediocre color with $80. These some corduroy dress shoes? These are low-key fire, dude. Like, holy cow. What are these? Doc Martens? These are Dr. Martens? These are pretty fly. $50 for those. Probably uncomfortable as hell though. Dude got some Brooks Ghost right here, going for 65, not too bad. We got more Uggs right here. I'm right next to the alarm right here. $30 for these, if that's your thing. More of these slippers. These are going for $13. That's your thing as well. And more of these Solutions, going for $35. And then the OG, got the OG freaking Stackhouse right here. These are what I've been looking for, to be real honest, because this was my first dope sneaker ever. My first close to $100 sneaker when I was in high school. But yeah, these ain't my size 9.5. Dang it. $30 for those. Those of you guys that didn't know what's up, great place to buy socks. Great place to buy socks. This is a youth size, $4, normally $12. And then these right here, look, $6, normally $12. So at least 50% off, if not more. Super bright colorway, so man. Now checking out the women's section. I've been looking for those goddamn Uggs in the super small size. I've had no luck. Yeah, these are the Uggs. Definitely not in my size, or not in this size. But yeah, these are the Uggs that I am looking for. These are going for what, $40? They've been in the grade school section, just not the colorway I'm looking for. Yeah, I'm not really finding much. Man, I'm just excited. I did find the Vince Carter jersey. That's one of the jerseys that I've been looking for. Unfortunately, the size XL doesn't really fit me, but I was definitely excited to show you that. And that's what these Ross trips are about, man, finding stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. And then a crazy huge line. God dang it. But Bossco did get the find of the week. That's the Cool Kicks find of the week right there. Bam. I need to get like a stamp. Find of the week. That is fire. Damn. All right, Bossco's in line. I'm searching again. I'm so paranoid that I missed out on something. I'm searching again. If I find anything, I'll definitely let you guys know. And then this is how life goes. Look what I found on the floor right here. Look what I found. Someone else found a size large. That's what I would have needed. Or I could have used that. What the hell, dude? God dang, tripping. But yeah, this is a large. This is a large. We missed out on it. Dang it. Undefeated warehouse sale. Look at the line. Look at the line. Yeah, no, yeah, we're not doing this. Bossco, we ain't doing this. Oh, hell no, fool. Hell to the no.
What do you think you're gonna do? Nothing. What are you really gonna get?
Find all kinds of shit, stuff, apparently.
I smell weed.
Yeah. It's not from you, fool? Oh, man.
No,
all right.
No.
All right, it is what it is. All right, we're gonna come back. Oh, that bus only hit one cone. Okay. I thought he was gonna hit more. Look at all this crap that we have to go through, you guys. Look at all this traffic. This is why we hate downtown. This is why Bossco and I hate freaking downtown. We're wasting time in traffic, but we do all this to get videos for all these fools.
Yeah, absolutely. Shout out to y'all on YouTube.
Shit, man. Damn, dude.
Shit crazy.
Make sure you guys help a boy up. Press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on one of these videos too, because I do drop a ton of these videos. I got all kinds of videos, outlet videos, that type of stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, guys. See y'all in the next one. Peace.